Please keep me going. You made my skin so beautiful, black and glowing. There's no reason why the media keeps on showing all the pain in this world when there's so much healing going on. Everyone hear our song. Cause we're not talking about drugs and we're not talking about guns. We're talking about real life, the advice to make you smile at your job shit. Picking up that 9 to 5 just to pick up but that's okay. Cause when you go home, you got your family and then daddy's home or mommy's home. And if you are alone, or just know you're never alone. And God is always with you when she's sitting on the throne. And if you ain't religious, well at least you have your own heart. In order to give love, you have to have self-love. We say that to ourselves, sometimes we think too much. But it's alright, and it's okay. The pain in my heart, but my face stays the same. And it's alright, and it's okay. Smiling my pictures, but tears in my brain. Reflections of these images are begging me to change.